All right, guys, FOMC day is behind us. This is the video for Thursday, January 30th. Let me slide this over real quick. Pretty uneventful day, by the way, for a FOMC day. But pause the video and read that if you're new in the chat room. And let's just get started. So, again, kind of a quiet inside day, but some big earnings after hours. So I'll just talk about those real quick and then go into the watch list. Tesla, that was fast. You can see it closed at 389.10. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 404. But it actually went down to 365 in after hours before reversing. So that's a big name. META closed at 676. It dropped to 636 in after hours, but then went up to 693, almost 94, 694. And as I'm talking to you, it's at 680. So not much of an event there. IBM, 228.63 close, and it's trading at 247 right now. And there was one other one. MFST. Let me try that again. MSFT. I'm not drinking, I swear. Microsoft, I don't know why my platform's so slow. Closed at 442.33. Right now, as I'm talking to you, it's at 434. So anyway, there's some big names. I don't have any opinions on what's going to happen tomorrow based on any of that, but just a quick hat tip, and then I'm going to get into it. First of all, Nora in pre-market gave a really nice post on a pullback to $2 on SLXN. So if you're around in pre-market, sometimes there's some nice trade ideas posted. It's a good reason to get to work early, and you can jump in and help us identify what could be the movers of the day, because to me, stock selection is way more important than most people think it is. And then the call of the day, without question, DGNX. There's the daily, so it's only been trading for 6 days. Kevin P gave it at 30 bucks, and you can see what it did. It went up over 20 from there. He is so good at spotting the movers before they move. All right, so anyway, that's it. I'm going to go into the watch list for tomorrow. SLXN, even bigger volume than yesterday, and closed at 314. I don't know if there's a possibility or a threat of an offering, but it's certainly worth watching with that kind of volume. PACK, nice little pop today. We'll see if it gives any kind of setup tomorrow. Starbucks, big breakout, SBUX. GTLB had the pop yesterday. Today pulled back a little bit on, kind of inside candle on lower volume. So it could give a third day play. We'll see if it sets up. KRKR was a serial halter today, so really not very tradable, but maybe tomorrow that changes. Closed about the middle of its range, maybe in the upper end a little bit, but I do want to watch it because I'm a day trader, even though I don't have any idea why it moved. BNZI, really nice volume, trying to break out of a long consolidation there, so that one goes on watch. SGN, again, another one closing way off its highs, but massive volume. We're day traders, we're going to watch it. NITO, kind of a sleeper pick. You had this volume, well, first you had this crazy 2-day move back here, but then it kind of found support. You had a volume spike, about a week ago, and it's kind of going sideways, trying to push up out of that range. So it's a sleeper pick, but I'm going to watch it. REBN, nice little breakout today, could have a follow-through day. The only news I could find on that was, I think, like a week ago, where they, whatever the process is to apply for franchises in the United States, I don't understand what's behind that, but anyway, it looks like they're talking about expanding throughout the U.S. So, but that was like a week ago, so I don't know what happened today. I might have missed a headline, right? But definitely worth watching. BKSY. I don't love this, but it got some big ass contracts, pardon my language, yesterday, and it ripped, but then went out at the lows and then pulled back again. So for me, I don't look at the chart and say, hey, this is great, but because I know about that contract and you've got 2 red days behind you, back down to the 8-day, this one might turn back up tomorrow, so that's why. I don't love the chart, but Micron, MU, just goes back on bounce watch. And then a couple potential gappers. NUKK had a headline after hours. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 27.60. We'll see if that gets any volume in the morning. And OST, I have no idea, but this went up to 5 in after hours. Nobody, as far as I can tell in chat, could see any news. But we'll see if it's still gapping in the morning. All right, that's it for me. We'll see you in chat in the morning. Have a great night.